there is a corporation in Turkey investing in the country's future and functioning as the dynamo of the country with the energy it produces. AKSA Energy. Since 1997, AKSA Energy has been working to meet the energy requirements of Turkey with its power plants all around the country. Today, AKSA Energy has been utilizing renewable resources such as wind and water in an environment-friendly manner. It has been converting the natural resources of Turkey to respond to the country's energy needs. AKSA Energy produces energy by utilizing the natural resources of Turkey. It prefers environment-friendly, renewable energy resources. With its combined cycle power plants, it converts exhausted heat to steam and steam to electricity. Already prepared for the growing energy demand of Turkey, AKSA Energy is aiming to increase its energy production capacity from 1,500 megawatts to more than 4,000 megawatts by the year 2014. Today, with its ongoing investment projects, AKSA Energy has been laying the foundations for a significantly higher energy production in the future. Through its expertise in the energy field, AKSA Energy has been working hard for more efficient and effective energy production processes. With the energy it produces, it is enlightening the future of Turkey. AKSA Energy, enlightening the future.